welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing an updated 2024 what is in my purse. I noticed that this has become like a yearly trend on my channel, and a lot of you guys requested to see an updated one for 2024. So we are just gonna throw this back old school YouTube style. I'm gonna show you the purse that I am currently using, and we're gonna go through it, and I'm gonna show you everything that is inside of that purse. Let's begin. The purse that I am currently using is this guy right here, just a really small little satchel. This is a Michael Kors bag. I got this about 4 years ago, and I remember this bag very, very well because this was during the COVID lockdown quarantine where we all were stuck inside, and I did so much online shopping during that time because there was literally nothing else to do. So this was one of my quarantine purchases, and I really liked this purse when I saw it online and I ordered it. It's something that isn't typically my style that I usually wear for a purse. I usually like purses that are bigger. I usually always go with the color black, but for whatever reason, this bag right here just really spoke to me. I am such a sucker for anything that is quilted, and I really liked the kind of detailing on the side here, the little like stitching with the little O-rings right here. It also did come with a longer strap, so you could wear this as a crossbody if you want, but typically I just walk around with it like this, just around my arm, or I just carry it like this. So this is the bag. It is very, very small. I would say maybe this is like a 12 by 6 or something like that. The exact name of this bag, I truly have no idea what this bag is called. I do not know the style of it. I tried with everything in me to find it online, like the actual name of it, but I cannot find this bag anywhere. So if any of you guys know what this purse is called, let me know, because I have no idea. On the top, it just has a little zipper, and I literally just grabbed this from downstairs, so it's nice and raw right here. I haven't gone through my purse since I started using this, and this thing is full. So the first thing in here, my car keys. So I just have a little Marilyn Monroe little lanyard here. I've had this one for years, and I have my key fob for my car right here. I drive a Nissan. Anyone else? Let me know in the comments. I have a little Wisconsin keychain. This is kind of an inside joke between me and my boyfriend. So I just have a little Wisconsin keychain. I have my mail key. I also have Jackal, my dog who passed away in January. I have his little name tag on here. I have this little Kong, like little dog Kong keychain on here. I just think this thing is just absolutely adorable. I also have my dad's dog tag on here because my dad was a Vietnam vet. And I just have an extra house key on here. So that is pretty much everything that's on my keychain. Nothing really too exciting. When you have a key fob for your car, you don't really need a keychain, but I still do. The next thing I have in here, we'll do the little side pockets. The next thing I have are just my little Bluetooth headphones. These are just like a cheap brand because my really good pair, my Samsung pair, actually broke, so I don't have those. So I've just been using this little cheap pair of Bluetooth headphones. These are just like JLab Bluetooth headphones. They work really good and perfectly for me. The next one, I have my clocking card for work, and I just have my employee clock in and out cards here. So that's everything in those side pockets. Next, we have my wallet. So this is the wallet that I am currently using. It's just a little Michael Kors wallet. I have my license here, and then all of my debit and credit cards. And then in here, I have all my cash, which, as you can see, it's a pretty decent amount, but I guarantee you it's mostly ones. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have $71 in my purse right now, so that is all the money that I have. It looks like a lot more than it is. All right, the next couple things that I have in this little compartment is I just have my health insurance card, which I'm not going to show you guys. And then I have this little pet care rewards card. This is for my vet. So every time I make like a purchase at my vet, I can get money on this little card, and it helps me pay for like vet services, medications, things like that. It's kind of like a referral program type thing. And then, so that's everything in like the front section of my wallet. And then back here, I have my Big B coffee card, like my points card for when I go and get a coffee. Okay, so that's everything in my wallet, just a small little wallet. Sometimes when I have like a much bigger purse, I will switch to a bigger wallet. But since this purse is so small, I kind of just shove everything into this little guy right here. I love this wallet. Again, it is by Michael Kors. I got this years ago. The next thing is we have a straw wrapper. Checks out. Next, we have my checkbook in here. I know a lot of people don't really write checks nowadays, but I still do for certain bills, so I can have a paper trail, so I always keep a checkbook on me. And then in the bigger compartment, we have this guy. It's just like a little zip thing right here, and inside is like my little survival kit, if you will. I just have a bunch of stuff in here, so let's go ahead and just see what we got. I have a little mirror right here, so if I have to do some checks, you know, check my piercings, check my boogers, you know, all that kind of fun stuff. So I have a mirror. I have a pack of gum. This is the Orbit peppermint gum. I don't really chew gum all that much nowadays just because I have so many fillings in my teeth. Chewing gum just makes me really nervous, but I do still keep gum in my purse, you know, in case I really need it or if somebody else needs a piece. I have a little pill carrying thing, and I know it has like days on it. I don't really follow the days, but I basically stock this up with like, let's see, we have Excedrin tension headache, we have Excedrin migraine, ibuprofen, I have some Midol in here for cramps. I have regular Tylenol. So yeah, this is basically just like painkillers, you know, and I have all kinds of different painkillers for what I may need. No like narcotics or anything, just over the counter, you know, like Tylenol, ibuprofen, Excedrin, stuff like that, because you just never know when you're going to need a painkiller when you're on the go. Am I right? Which I don't know why I do that, because it's not like I'm on the go very much, but again, you just never know. I also have 2 little pills in here. These are my migraine meds. I do take rizatriptans for my migraines, and I always keep a couple in my purse in case a migraine strikes when I am out in public. If it's just a normal headache, I will just take a Excedrin. But if it's like a really bad migraine, like thunderclap, can't see kind of migraine, I have these in my purse because migraines suck. I also have 1 little pill of Imodium, because again, you never know. I also have some Pepto-Bismol, little chewable tablets in here, just in case, you know, girlies out there with GI problems. You know, if you know, you know. It looks like I have some Azo in here. I think this is when I had that really bad UTI. When was that? I think that was like in November. I had a horrendous urinary tract infection, and I carried like just some Azo urinary pain relief in my purse, because going to work with a UTI, there's nothing worse than that. So I carried just some Azo in here. It's probably expired now. I have no idea, but I probably don't need this in there anymore, but you know, that's in there. I have a couple of little breath mints, just little peppermint breath mints. I also have a mini phone charger if I'm out somewhere and I need to charge my phone or my headphones or whatever the case may be. I just have, you know, this little guy. I can just plug it in and charge my phone really quick. And then I have a lighter right here. Now, I do not smoke cigarettes anymore, but I always still have to carry a lighter everywhere with me in case somebody else needs a lighter. Like if they're trying to light a cigarette and their lighter's not working, I can be like, hey, I got you, because I know what that feels like, so I always like to keep a lighter on hand. And then the last things that I have in here are just some panty liners and some tampons. Girls, if you know, you know. So that is everything that I keep in this little pouch. It's kind of just like my little survival, little like emergency kit. I always keep one of those in my purse because even though I don't leave my house very often, when I do, I just never know what's gonna strike. Like, is my period gonna start? Am I gonna, you know, need an ibuprofen? Do I need my migraine meds? Like, you know, do I need a lighter? You know, you just never know. So that's just everything I keep in there, and I always keep a little kit like that in my purse. I think it's very, very important. And then last, we have this little pocket right here. So this, I'm not gonna show you guys this because this is actually the codes for the alarm at my work. Gotta keep that private. Next, I have this little guy, and this is just where I store like extra cards that don't fit in my wallet. If I had like a bigger wallet, these would all fit, but because I don't have a bigger wallet right now, I just store extra cards in here. Like I have a gift card for a restaurant, I have a Shell gas station card, I have a care payment card for any like, you know, if I need it for medical bills, which I've never had to use this, so I truly don't know. Does this even expire? I truly have no idea what the hell this card is. I have no idea. And then I have a little rewards card for a sex shop. All right, next is just some pretty boring stuff. I have my all-time favorite chapstick in the entire world. I always have to have chapstick in my purse, and that is the Candy Cane chapstick. All-time favorite chapstick. I will literally not use anything else besides this. It is the best chapstick ever. It smells really, really good, and this is literally the only thing that I wear on my lips when my lips are dry, and it's the only thing that works. So I keep my chapstick in there. I also have a little stylus in here so I can like be on my phone and like do stuff. Yeah. I have a pen in here, and I'm covering it up because this is the pen of where I used to work. So, you know, just a regular pen. And then I have another pen in here, and this is for Eagle Eye Tattoo right here. And Eagle Eye Tattoo is the guy who did my sleeve down here. That's his shop. So yeah, I keep his pen in there because you got to represent. And that is pretty much it for everything that's in my purse. We've gone through every pockets. We went through the main compartment. There are no other pockets in here, and my purse is a lot more boring than I thought it would be. I think the most exciting thing in here is a straw wrapper. So wow, we're wild over here. So now I'm just going to shove everything back in here. My little survival kit. We're gonna throw my tampons, the lighter, the panty liners. We're gonna throw in my little pain meds here, my Imodium, rizatriptans, my gum and my mirror in here, my little phone charger, breath mints, Pepto-Bismol. Okay, so everything is back in here, so that is all set. And we're going to throw my pen, stylus, and chapstick in this little zip-up compartment over here, because that's just where I keep that shit. In these little side pockets, I'm gonna put my clock-in card for work back in here, so I have it on me. We're gonna put my Bluetooth headphones in the other little side pocket. And then in the middle, we are going to throw in my survival kit bag, as I like to call it. We're going to throw in the wallet and my checkbook. And then my keys, plop them right in there. And there we go. Everything is back and tucked away in my purse and ready to go. And I just keep my keys in here because I can lock, unlock, start my car with my keys just sitting right in my purse, so I don't have to like take those out or anything. Yeah, that is my updated 2024 what is in my purse. Again, everything is very practical. Everything that I need is in here when I go out and about. And then obviously I always carry, you know, like my phone, and I do carry a pair of sunglasses with me as well. They're just sitting downstairs because nothing else is going to fit inside this bag. So yeah, but that is everything for my what is in my purse video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you go down, thumbs up, subscribe, turn on all notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos from me. Let me know down below what you keep in your purse. I would love to know. But until then, I will see you guys very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.